Welcome to Blue Collar Crypto. Today we're going to show you how to buy Ethereum tokens, ERC20 tokens, using Uniswap on your desktop going through Metamask, okay? And the example we're going to use today is Archangel token. So it's not crazy difficult, but the first time you do it, it's a little confusing, but it's not difficult. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do is actually go to the website of the token you want to buy. That's the best place to get the right contract for the token. So we go to Archangel token, scroll down a little bit, and you get these drop downs up at the top. Left click on contract address, and it brings you down to where to buy. This is the token contract address. The last 4 digits are C7FD. Just remember that, okay? You can click on that. If you click on that, that brings you to the Etherscan. Shows you the token Archangel. Archangel's new contract is all lowercase Archangel. See the contract over here on the right? C7FD are the last 4 digits. You could tap here to copy it if you want. Or you could go back to Archangel token's website. You could tap on Uniswap, and that's where you're going to buy it. You need to, well, we'll talk about that in a second, but it already brings in the token right here. Okay, but we're going to go about that another way. Another place that you could find the contract is on Dex Tools. Go on Dex Tools, type in Archangel. When it comes up, see down here it says Archangel, all lowercase. There's the contract. Token contract, C7FD. Tap right there to copy it. Awesome. Here's a link to their website where we were just at. Here's a link to CoinGecko. Good place to find the contract address as well. Let's tap on that. Scroll down a little bit. So there's Archangel. This one, it says the same. It has the same, it's the real logo, so they must have been updated. Down over here, C7FD, that's the correct contract, okay? Tap on that, or left click on that to copy it. Tap on that to add it to your MetaMask, but we're not, you could do that. I might screw up my computer just saying, I don't know. Might slow this thing down. Okay, so you have the contract address. You need to get MetaMask extension into your browser. I use Firefox. That's a whole nother thing. You watch another video for that. It's not too hard. Just download the browser, open up a MetaMask wallet if you don't have one yet. If you have one, then link it to it. I mean, if this is the first time doing it, we'll walk through that here later on. So we go to Uniswap. We're gonna do it like it's any other token. So you go to Uniswap, uniswap.org. Make sure it's spelled right. Also, you can go to their link right here on their website, Uniswap. Boom, that brings it up. The contract's already loaded in there. But if you don't have it already loaded in there, you go to Uniswap, left click Launch App, left click Select Token, right click right here, paste the contract that you already copied, C7FD. Right here it brings up Archangel. Tap on that. And there's a circle with a line through it. Don't worry about that. Uniswap just is taking forever to update the token icons and stuff like that. You're going to want to connect your wallet. Tap here, connect your wallet. I have MetaMask. Now I'm going to sign in. When I hit sign in, a little drop down popped up over here on the right side from where this little Firefox dude is, or Fox guy is, and it wanted you to type in your password to log in to MetaMask. So I did that, and but it didn't show up on my screen to record. Okay, so all right, this is how much ETH is in that wallet. 0.0, let's just say 0.04. And how much ARCA do I want to buy? So let's just click there on the left, and we'll type in 0.02. Let's just say we want to buy $67 of Archangel. 0.02 sounds, I have enough ETH. Tap swap. This is what it's going to be, but once you confirm this page, this is confirming your transaction, and then they're going to send it for you to confirm on your MetaMask wallet. So tap on confirm. Oh, and if nothing happens, oh man, I keep tapping this button and nothing happens. Well, you have to make some changes. You have to adjust the slippage or do something else. My slippage is set to 1%. That's fine for this because it's worked before. Sometimes you have to go to 15%. That's a lot. But right now, if you just change the last two digits, which were 00, and you change them to 11 in the amount of Archangel tokens you want to buy, then you come here, tap on swap. This is the transaction you're doing. It's what you just typed in. Hit confirm swap, and it will bring up your browser on the right side. Let me see if I can get that to show up. Hold on. Okay, so this drop down up here from my Firefox extension up here, and my estimated gas fees are $256. Okay, if you wait like 30 seconds, it changes, which is really a lot. A few minutes ago, I checked it. It was like $500. The network must be really busy. They're selling a whole bunch of NFTs or something like that. I'm not sure, but I don't have enough to do my transaction. So you just wait. You could sit here and wait, and it keeps going up and down, or come back a couple hours later, come back in the morning, or whatever. Some days it's low. I've seen it $50, $60, $40, but it's been a while. I have a hard time paying $250 for gas, especially if you're only buying $250 worth of tokens. But if you want to change that on here, you could hit edit, tap on the edit, change it to low. Doesn't really change it that much. It kind of changes a little bit. Sometimes it changes it a lot. This time only a few cents. I'm not going to change that. I'm just going to X out of that. But if you just close out of here without rejecting or confirming, then up top you have this 1. That means there's 1 pending transaction. So if you think you canceled it and you come back later and you want to try again, oh, let me confirm a swap again. Well, this is 1 of 2. And if you come down here and you had a whole bunch of Ethereum in your wallet and you tapped on confirm, you're going to confirm both of those transactions. So don't, so that's a good warning. Watch out for that, because I've done that and then you're like, hold on, man. Anyway. So right here, hit reject. It should reject both of them. No, it just rejected one, but underneath it was a blue hyperlink that said reject 2 transactions. That would have worked. Now hit reject here. Transactions rejected, transaction rejected. Good, so that's done. So that's essentially how you buy from the desktop using a MetaMask extension, a MetaMask wallet, and going through Uniswap to buy it. So it's not too hard, it's not too complicated. It seems kind of weird, but once you do it a few times, you'll get used to it. It's not a big deal. And eventually it'll say this token will be, Archangel will be listed on exchanges. I don't know when that'll be, but I assume it's months away. But other tokens like, say, Saitama, or I don't know, it's what came out recently, like Gala Games recently got listed on Coinbase. Sand token is listed on Gemini. But you could still buy both of those tokens on Uniswap. I wouldn't if I had an account somewhere else, because then you'd have to pay gas on Uniswap. But the thing is, like for Sand, it's not on Coinbase yet. So, I don't know. I guess that's one thing. If you expect it to get listed on centralized exchanges, that'll usually make the price, I don't want to say go up a whole bunch. It'll go up 100x gem. No. It'll boost the price up, but I'm not gonna sit here and say, hey, that's what I'm banking on. No, man, I'm an investor, and I'm just trying to get in early on some honestly legit tokens. So, well, anyway, I hope that helped. If you have any questions, just ask them in the comments, and I'll help you if I can. I've been doing this for a little while, not forever, but I know a few things like that workaround where you add the 2 zeros, you take away the 2 zeros at the end and you add 2 1s. Does that mean that you're not paying a high slippage rate? I don't know. I have no way of finding that out. All I know is my transaction can now go through, because before you keep tapping on that button and it doesn't do anything, and you're sitting there waiting for your, gas prices to be right, and you're like, oh man, I can't buy. Why not? Well, maybe your slippage. It may be also, adding those 2 ones at the end. Anyway, that's just a little trick I learned along the way. Hope it helped. If you got any questions, Telegram group for Archangel, and there's a lot of smart people on there. And thanks for watching Blue Collar Crypto. I'll see you guys next time. There's one more thing I forgot to tell you. So after you did a transaction on Uniswap and you had your MetaMask wallet connected to the Uniswap app, you're gonna want to disconnect it. I don't know, just another thing to be safe, right? Because otherwise it'll be connected pretty much forever. I don't know, forever, but next time you go look. So you go back to the website. So the way you disconnect it, so you go back to your browser, tap on the MetaMask extension up here, left click it. What is it? Account options? That's not it. You tap on top right, your logo of your wallet. Then it says My Accounts up top on the top right. Hit lock, and that will get you off. That will disconnect you from the Uniswap website. Just to double check, you can go back in the app and it will say Connect Wallet. If your wallet was connected, it would be connected. It would show you your Ethereum, and up here it would show you your first 5 and last 5 of your wallet address. So just a heads up, something I forgot to say. It's at the end of the world. I don't think it's the end of the world, but just a good safety measure. You never know. People trying to rob you blind these days on your crypto, so just watch out. All right, thanks for watching again, Blue Collar Crypto, and I'll see you guys next time.